Welcome back to Auto Review today. The 2025 Chevrolet Camper Motorhome is here, and it's redefining road trips with its blend of comfort, technology, and rugged performance. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, this motorhome offers a luxurious yet practical experience. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Chevrolet Camper Motorhome maintains a bold and modern design. The front end features Chevrolet's signature grille with a chrome finish and LED headlights that provide excellent visibility. The aerodynamic shape enhances fuel efficiency, while the high-strength steel frame ensures durability. Large side mirrors, integrated turn signals, and a streamlined roofline reduce wind resistance, making it stable on highways. The exterior also includes multiple storage compartments, a retractable awning with LED lighting, and an optional solar panel system for off-grid adventures. The rear section is equipped with a tow hitch, allowing you to bring along extra gear or even a small trailer. Stepping inside, the interior is designed for both comfort and functionality. The cabin features premium leather seating with adjustable armrests, a spacious dashboard with a digital display, and a user-friendly infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The living area is where this motorhome shines. It comes with a full kitchenette, including a 2-burner stove, a microwave, a refrigerator, and a sink with a pull-out faucet. The dining area features a foldable table with comfortable seating that can double as extra sleeping space. Moving to the sleeping arrangements, the 2025 Chevrolet Camper Motorhome offers a cozy queen-size bed with memory foam, built-in storage, and USB charging ports. Additional sleeping options include a convertible sofa and an overhead bunk. The bathroom is compact yet fully functional, featuring a toilet, a shower with an adjustable head, and a vanity with storage. Climate control is excellent, thanks to a built-in air conditioning and heating system, ensuring comfort in any season. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Camper Motorhome is powered by a 6.6L V8 engine, delivering around 400 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides plenty of power for highway cruising and mountain driving. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the motorhome offers smooth shifting and efficient fuel consumption. The fuel tank capacity is around 55 gallons, giving it a decent range for long-distance travel. Additionally, Chevrolet has equipped this model with an all-wheel drive option, making it capable of handling off-road conditions and rough terrains. The suspension system is designed for comfort, reducing road vibrations and ensuring a smooth ride. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced braking system with automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system helps with parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model starts at approximately $85,000, with higher trims and additional features pushing the price up to around $110,000. Optional upgrades include a larger battery pack for off-grid power, premium interior materials, and an advanced entertainment system. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Camper Motorhome is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a comfortable, reliable, and high-tech motorhome. It combines Chevrolet's strong engineering with modern features, making it a perfect companion for road trips and camping adventures. If you're in the market for a motorhome with a balance of luxury, performance, and affordability, this is one to consider.